Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through a Crest Classic 220 LX. In the front, we'll have nice two loungers to port and starboard, the little cooler drawer up underneath. You'll have USB ports on both sides. So we walk forward. This is going to be where most of your storage is. We have a 3-drawer storage system on the exit, as well as some storage under the helm. The helm's going to be nicely appointed with analog gauges, a depth finder, fusion radio system, easy access to all your control switches, and a 13-person capacity. Back here in the back, this model is known for its storage. You'll have a nice L shape with storage underneath. Little seat off to the side with the little storage compartment. My favorite use for this one is to put a full-size trash can in it. And last but not least is your walk-in storage system. You can pop this open. This is great if you have kids. You can use this as a changing area, put a little porta potty in here. That way it's shielded from other people. And then over here, you will have access to your single battery. This boat's going to be powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard with a nice tow bar. So this is going to be great for tubing, skiing, and all of your water sports needs. Give us a call today to learn more about this boat and see how you can set up an appointment to see it in person.